In this video, I will take you through a brief demonstration of the advanced capabilities of the new Aspen HYSYS V8. In this scenario, I am a new process engineer, and my supervisor has asked me to analyze the crude distillation unit of our refinery using Aspen HYSYS. Here, I will demonstrate how I can use the easy-to-use features of the new Aspen HYSYS to accomplish this task. The task is intimidating, especially with the little experience I have had as a process engineer. I start up HYSYS, and the first impression I have is how the product looks similar to Microsoft tools such as Excel or Outlook, which immediately gets me feeling a bit more comfortable. The new Aspen HYSYS has a familiar looking ribbon, and I start glancing through it and notice the search button. There's nothing like starting with a good example model, so I start the search feature. The search interface is easy to use and gives a lot of information about models available to me. Soon, I find an ideal model and open it. My task was to specifically look at the residue and crude heat exchanger for a possible upgrade, as it has always had problems with fouling. As I navigate the flowsheet, I notice that the preheat train is located in a sub-flowsheet block. To help me understand the flowsheet configuration, I can open the sub-flowsheet as a new tab and place it side by side with the parent flowsheet. Now I can see both the residue stream coming from the crude column in one view and the associated exchanger in the subflow sheet to easily understand the connection. Now the object of interest is the residue and crude heat exchanger. I double-click on the item to open the unit operation view. The heat exchanger is currently using a simple model. With integrated Aspen exchanger design and rating, I can easily convert the heat exchanger to a rigorous model and browse through additional information such as exchanger specification, process data, and property ranges. I can also move on to the activated energy analyzer in the dashboard. With one click, I can see an estimate of the energy and greenhouse gas saving potential from my project. Additionally, I can use Energy Analyzer to generate potential design changes to improve the CDU heat exchangers. Now I can move on to cost estimation activation on the dashboard. Using Aspen Process Economic Analyzer in Aspen HYSYS, I can develop relative cost estimates about my project. With all these tools just a few clicks away, what seemed to be a daunting assignment has become much easier. The workflow has been improved to make it much easier to accomplish tasks in Aspen HYSYS, and the added features give users more flexibility. For more information about Aspen HYSYS and other Aspen Tech products, please visit the Aspen Tech website.